First, we need to share hash rate index. Go check out hash rate index, one of the best places to look at different metrics within the Bitcoin mining ecosystem. As of this morning, things are pretty rough, Colin. We had that story last week. A lot of people were like, we're at 1 Zeta hash for Bitcoin mining. Not really, just kind of like wicked up on a lot of dashboards. Truly, we're around 900 exahash. That being said, the more important metric is hash price, which has been hovering around $40, even dipped lower than $40, which was a low since September of last year. This is a really key metric for Bitcoin miners, especially the public guys that we have information on, because they're basically at break even.
Yeah, miners getting pinched on both sides from hash price. On April 5th, we had a pretty large upward difficulty adjustment, and it tanked hash price from about $46 or $47 per hash per day down to 43. And then Bitcoin had its Sunday sell-off last weekend as it kind of lagged the rest of the market from the Friday sell-off we saw a few days before in response to tariffs, and it dropped all the way down to like $39 per hash per day, which is a level we haven't seen in some time. It's since recovered along with the broader market, but we're still at like 43. And as we'll show here in a second, that's really creating some thin margins for some of the leading public miners. If we just look at their hash costs on a direct cost basis, and that's not even including their SG&A and financing costs.
Right now is really, really tight for Bitcoin miners.